Toyota GR86 purists, listen up. While every other brand is shoving heavy batteries into their sports cars, Gazoo Racing did the exact opposite for 2027. But did they finally fix its most fatal flaw? We live in an era where horsepower is cheap. Family grocery getters are dropping 0 to 60 times. That would embarrass a 90s Ferrari. But chasing massive power numbers comes with a massive penalty: weight. And weight is the ultimate enemy of a true driver's car. Enter the 2027 Toyota GR86, unveiled at Fuel Fest. This is not some bloated, over engineered redesign. It is a surgical strike. Toyota engineers took a scalpel to the GR86, focusing entirely on the raw connection between human and machine. And the refinements they made behind the wheel are going to blow you away. Let us talk about that fatal flaw I mentioned earlier. If you drove the previous iterations on a track, you probably noticed the throttle could feel a bit digital, and the torque delivery out of sharp corners was occasionally unpredictable. For 2027, Gazoo Racing ripped up the old rulebook. They completely revised the relationship between your right foot and the engine's torque delivery. The result? A buttery smooth natural throttle response that lets you dance right on the edge of grip without the car violently snapping back at you. And for the purists still rowing their own gears, the manual transmission mechanism has been stripped down and refined. Gear changes are now laser precise and entirely effortless. But hold on, because the upgrades do not stop at the shifter. Power remains untouched, and honestly, that is exactly the point. The naturally aspirated 2.4-liter four-cylinder boxer engine still pumps out 228 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. Peak torque smacks you at exactly 3,700 revolutions per minute. That gives you immediate, punchy mid-range performance without having to ruthlessly wring out the engine to the red line. If you launch it perfectly, the manual model sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds. The automatic clicks in at 6.6 seconds. Sure, those numbers will not win a straight line drag race against an electric sedan, but the GR86 has a secret weapon that almost no modern car possesses today. It is a total featherweight. The manual version tips the scales at an incredibly light 2,811 pounds. Even the automatic comes in at just 2,851 pounds. By utilizing aluminum body panels and stripped down structural engineering, the GR86 feels like a street-legal go-kart. But what happens when you take it to the racetrack? This is where Toyota introduces the ultimate cheat code. Buyers can bolt on the available factory performance package. We are not talking about some cheap cosmetic plastic. This package hands you massive Brembo brakes and precision Sachs dampers. This combination aggressively ties the chassis to the tarmac, giving you extreme braking confidence and razor-sharp cornering stability. It is the exact upgrade track day junkies used to buy on the aftermarket, now perfectly tuned straight from the factory. Visually, Toyota is flexing too. They just dropped a brand new exterior color called Thunder. It is a dynamic gray finish that literally shapeshifts depending on the lighting conditions, making the aggressive aerodynamic lines and wide stance pop like never before. Step inside and the cockpit has evolved. You can now spec a wicked cockpit red interior, blending black ultra suede with aggressive red leather accents. If you prefer to fly under the radar, the all-black interior is stealthy and premium, complete with cast iron black finishes on the critical switchgear. Now, you might think a raw sports car ignores modern safety, but Toyota actually upgraded the tech suite. They widened the range of the stereo camera system and added a brand new monocular camera to spot intersection hazards faster. You get pre-collision braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure alerts, keeping you safe on the highway before you hit the twisty mountain roads. So, is this the last true driver's car? In a market obsessed with heavy batteries and driving computers, the 2027 GR86 refuses to conform. It delivers pure, unfiltered driving joy, and that revised throttle mapping, it is the final piece of the puzzle that makes this Toyota an absolute legend.